Diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, functions to help modern diesel engines. Nitrogen dioxide, or as it's better known, NOx, is a gas in the exhaust of diesel trucks and off-road equipment. Because NOx pollution is linked to serious respiratory problems, the EPA has endeavored to decrease limits on NOx output since 1994. To meet the new limits set in 2010, a new approach was required. Engine manufacturers agree that selective catalytic reduction, better known as SCR, is the most effective technology to reduce NOx. Since 2010, most newly manufactured trucks use SCR and require DEF. SCR is an after-treatment technology that is integral to the exhaust system. By treating the NOx in the exhaust system instead of in the engine itself, the engine can operate at peak performance. SCR not only cuts NOx emissions, but also improves fuel economy. The SCR system has four main components. The exhaust leaves the engine and enters the particulate filter, where carbon particles are captured. As the exhaust leaves the filter, a mist of the diesel exhaust fluid is sprayed into the hot exhaust stream, where it turns into ammonia. Together, the NOx and ammonia pass through the SCR catalyst, where they react chemically and transform into a harmless water vapor and nitrogen. Nitrogen is actually the most common element in the air we breathe. The SCR system reduces NOx emissions to almost zero. For the SCR system to operate properly, all DEF fluid must meet an exacting standard which is published by the International Organization for Standardization, better known as ISO. The ISO standard for DEF is ISO 22241, which ensures the purity and composition of DEF. FS-DEF is certified by the American Petroleum Institute, or API. It is a high-quality blend of 32.5% urea and deionized water, and meets the standards of both of these organizations. Pickup trucks add 10 to 18 liters of DEF at oil change intervals, or approximately every 12,000 kilometers. Heavy-duty diesel engines use about 3.5 to 5% DEF compared to diesel fuel consumption, depending on the engine load. That means a 90-liter tank of DEF is good for nearly 12,000 kilometers, allowing a truck to cross the country and return home before needing to refuel the DEF tank. The purity of DEF is the critical reason for choosing a diesel exhaust fluid supplier. For those with small SCR-equipped vehicles, FS-DEF is available in 10-liter containers. The wide array of equipment provides a low-cost, easy-to-use dispensing system designed for low-volume applications that work on both drums and totes. The quality you want, the purity you need. For more information or to order online, go to www.fsdef.ca.